Market, this is Nature's Court.
What is the occasion?
This is like appreciation for the old customers, and for the new customers, we're like welcoming them in to ask questions. Kind of tell the old clients we appreciate them being here, and the new clients, this is the new spot. Get your hair done.
Caramelized onions and sun-dried tomatoes. Now right here, this is Greek spinach puffs. Gazpacho, I enhanced it with some cilantro, some parsley. The carrots in the gazpacho were organic.
Nice.
Because this is Nature's Court and everything has to be organically enhanced.
Wow, that sounds really good. How long have you been a client here?
About 3 years.
3 years, nice. Is it all about just being natural? Is that what Nature's Court is all about?
Yes, sir.
Very nice, very nice.